Now, if you're a big fan of Harry Potter, this video goes to you.
Oh my god!
So much of a big fan. Wait a minute. This is insane. I don't even want to touch it. This collection right here is definitely worth the money, y'all. Hello everyone, it's your SHEGLAM here, and today I'm going to be unboxing and doing a review video of the SHEGLAM brand new Harry Potter makeup collection. I cannot wait to unbox this because I am a huge fan of Harry Potter. I've been a fan since like COVID time. I was watching the Harry Potter movies, all of them, all the parts, and it's so good. I've been wanting to watch Harry Potter for like the longest time. I'm a Ravenclaw, by the way. The reason why I'm a Ravenclaw is because it just represents creativity, wisdom, wit, and curiosity. It's kind of just sound like me, especially with the creativity part. So I was like, you know what, let me just join the Ravenclaw, you know. Now, if you're a Slytherin, HufflePuff, or Gryffindor, hey. And plus, I've been playing the Hogwarts game too. Still playing it. It's a lot of stuff that I gotta do. But yeah, but anywho, let me just stop talking. Let me just stop talking about this. I want to just get into the unboxing video. So therefore, let me just do an introduction real quick. Hi, my name is Shakira, aka SHEGLAM, and on this channel, I've been doing review videos and tutorials, and sometimes I'll be doing reaction videos of the artist album and just do like a makeup inspired look to it, just to keep it as makeup related. So yeah, if you wanted to subscribe to this channel for more content, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be swatching the products on my arm, probably in a separate video, and just import it from here so you guys get a closer look at it. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, leave that notification bell on to get notified when I upload, like the video, and follow my social media description below. And without further ado, let's get this review started. So here, this is the box. This is how it looks like right now. I don't want to throw any shade to any of the makeup brands that I like, but ColourPop with their Harry Potter collection, it wasn't all that. It wasn't just sparked my attention. It wasn't interesting me at all whatsoever, because it was just, I don't want to say plain, but it wasn't given. Their packaging, it was okay, but what they could have done with the collection is that they should have made 4 different quad palettes for like each of the houses, like in Hogwarts. Like one could be Ravenclaw, HufflePuff, Slytherin, and Gryffindor. They just put all the colors into one palette, and I was just like, It was given very much mixed neutrals. I can't wait to see what SHEGLAM got in store because their highlight shades are really pigmented. Oh my gosh, like I really like their products so much. I'm a big fan. Wait a minute, hold up. Wait, no freaking way. When it comes to packaging, look how, oh my god. Also, by the way, say hi to YouTube. This is so freaking cool. Oh my goodness. The mirror is, well, the mirror is like a little bit disoriented. It's not like glass whatsoever, but this is so freaking cool. You in Hogwarts, you know, like, have you seen this wizard and they be showing the wizard like in the motion? That is so freaking cool. Okay, oh wait a minute, I'm not ready. I'm getting hot already. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, the packaging, this is nice. Okay, let me open it real quick. I'm gonna leave everything down in the description below, but right now I'm just gonna be opening up everything. So wherever I'm showing you guys the products that in the collection, I'm gonna insert the image right here on the side. But like this whole collection is gonna be sold out fast. Okay, now I'm gonna open it. Oh my goodness, I'm opening it right now. Okay, I'm gonna open it right now and see. Oh no way, this is not happening. You could call me dramatic, but look, the letter, what? Oh, what? Does this move? Oh, it has like a little arrow right here. I'm gonna show y'all like a close-up look to this whole collection. Okay, first of all, okay. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, that's a little arrow. Okay, I'm gonna open it real quick. Ooh, this is so cute. I feel like I'm going to Hogwarts. So this is what it says. Harry Potter obsessed makeup fans rejoin. Transport yourself to the famed wizarding world with an all-new Harry Potter inspired products that will blend seamlessly to your makeup routine. Featuring 4 unique eyeshadow quads inspired by the 4 houses of the Hogwarts. 4 high shine lip glosses. Ooh, inspired by our most beloved magical Brews. Oh wait, are they talking about the potions? Oh, they talking about the potions. Okay, a magic lip mask, and finally a glitter lipstick. Glitter lipstick. There's a glitter lipstick? I don't know. This collection has everything you need for a spellbinding look. Oh, this is sickening. Y'all really put y'all all to this. Okay, I don't know if you guys could see a little the letters. Like, the way that they did it is so, like, official. I feel like I'm actually going to Hogwarts. Okay, I'm gonna put this inside the envelope. I don't know where to start. It says it comes with 4 lip shades, but where is it at? Because I don't see it. Okay, hold on. Is it this side thing right here? I'm gonna lift it up real quick. I'm gonna just take everything out. Ooh, I pulled the 2 little things upwards and it came out, and the packaging is sickening. Is this a wand? Okay, I know this is like a brush, but this is a wand. Does this look official? So this is like the brewing press, and be doing like making little potions and stuff like that. Oh my god, I am so hyped already. I'm gonna do the quad palettes first and then the lip stuff, because this is the first thing that pops up of the box, that comes out of the box. So I'm gonna do this part first, and then I'm gonna do the lip glosses last. Going to Hogwarts, you need to know your houses. Now when I spin this little wheel here, the arrow is pointing downward. Whatever house it stops at, I'm gonna do like a recreation look next after this video. If you guys want to see a makeup look of me creating other houses, just make sure you guys comment below, and I would definitely do a little mini series of me recreating all of the Hogwarts houses for y'all. Ravenclaw, but if not, then it's whatever. But yeah. Ooh, girl is a Slytherin. Make sure you guys stay tuned for a makeup tutorial of me doing a Slytherin look using all the SHEGLAM Harry Potter makeup collection. Ooh, so when you open it, it's like this and it's like this. See how it looks. Ooh, leather? No. I know to not use leather. I never see a makeup brand use leather. SHEGLAM, y'all did yourselves. Y'all did y'all thing with this. Wow, look at the detail of this thing. Like, all right. I feel like SHEGLAM, they got the Harry Potter makeup collection down on pack than ColourPop. No shade, but I'm being real honest. This is so detailed. Ravenclaw, Slytherin, HufflePuff. It's the detail for me. It's the packaging for me. What? This is insane. I don't even want to touch it. First thing, I'm gonna open up Gryffindor. Okay, this is the Gryffindor palette. Okay, just want to see how it looks. So let me see. Oh, and it has the lion print on it. I don't know if you guys could see it, but I'm gonna show like a little close-up video so that you guys can see how detailed the product is. This is nice. Shimmer is shimmery for real. Oh my goodness. Got the shade Darling, Bravery, Determination, and Courage. I think this is just describing what Gryffindor is and what it represents. It's actually a good color for fall, actually. This is really good. She put me out there, y'all. Dang. The packaging is nice. I cannot get over the packaging. The packaging is sickening. Okay, next I'm gonna look at Slytherin. Ooh, another shimmer. There's 2 shimmers in this palette, so there's 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. Oh, this is nice. We got Ambition. We got Cunning. Ooh, Cunning looks nice. Leadership and Destiny. We got this snake little icon right here in the palette. This is really cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm placing everything back up in here. I'm not taking anything out. So next up, we got Ravenclaw. The freaking blues. Oh my goodness, we got Wisdom, Curiosity, Wit, and Creativity, and we got the eagle icon right here. This is nice. I love how they did like a little drawing of it too. I feel very appreciated. Even with the other houses, y'all should be feeling really appreciated when you open up these quad palettes, because it's the detailing, it's the packaging. This is amazing. Look at all the shimmers. This is really nice. This is nice. SHEGLAM, y'all be doing y'all thing. And speaking of SHEGLAM, I be seeing a lot of products on SHEGLAM now, and they releasing a lot of new stuff. Last but not least, we got HufflePuff. Ooh, we got like orange and yellow shades over there with nude. Okay, this is nice. Okay, so we got trustworthy, hard work, humility, and patience. I'm putting everything back in here because it deserves to be back in this beautiful packaging that they did. I'm not going to be throwing none of these out. I'm not. I'm keeping everything back in place. I'm not throwing it out. Like, this is just a waste. You can throw it out if you want to, but like me as a fan, as a Harry Potter fan, do not get me twisted. I'll be going for the lip products now, so you guys going to be seeing it right now. I'm really curious what this glitter lipstick is going to look like. This is the SHEGLAM Gifted Herbologist you this glitter lipstick. I feel like I'm saying it wrong, but this is how it looks. A little box. It is so freaking cute. It says it's a greenhouse 3 today. Students, get ready for the exciting lesson in herbology class and look the part while repotting those mandrakes with these glitter lipsticks. This will be applied soon onto your lips for a glassy black finish with a micro glitter flakes. It features an ultra hydrating formula and an easy to use bullet applique for a beautiful magical plant inspired look. Ooh, okay. This is so nice. Oh my god, I can't wait to open it. This is nice. I love the art of this. This is so freaking cute. Okay, let me see what they talking about because they say like blue glitter stuff. I don't know. Look at what? Wasn't lying about the glitter part. This is pretty. I don't even want to use it. This is how pretty it is. Does it even have a smell? Oh, it don't have a smell. That's good. So if you have like sensitive skin and you want a product that doesn't have no scent at all whatsoever, this is gonna be for you. Last time I bought a lip product from SHEGLAM, it was like 2021. Hopefully they changed the formulas of just everything in general, but I had bought their lip stain and it smells stink. It has an unpleasant smell. I didn't like it at all. It just smells very chemically, and then when you eat and stuff, it's not gonna taste right because there's no scent at all. I'm happy that there's no scent whatsoever. I can't wait to try it on my other makeup video because this right here, this is different. Even though I see other makeup brands do like a glitter lipstick look, but that one right there, it looks nice in person, trust me. I'm gonna go for their lip mask and I can't wait to see how it looks. Let me find out all this stuff is gonna be unscented because it's gonna be amazing. Oh my gosh, we got a little spoon. This is so freaking cute. Look at the lip mask. Oh, this is so small. This is so freaking cute and small. Like, look at that. Ooh, so it's like a light pink purple shade lip mask. If it does come out like a little tint color, then that's good. But if not, then it's whatever. And that lip mask, I think it's supposed to be just clear. I smell a little something, but I feel like that will be just because the packaging and the manufacturing and everything. But it don't smell like anything at all whatsoever. It doesn't smell steak or anything like that, so that's good. This is really, really cute. I like this so much. Put everything back in the box like I said because I like to keep everything in place. This is worth keeping the packaging. So let's say we're going for is they for lip glosses. This is the last product that's in the collection, which is the Bewitching Brew lip gloss set. This is really cute and the way they package it is so nice. It's literally like a book. Before you open it, I want to read what it says towards the back. Okay, so it says level up your beauty game and your potion making skills with this collection of Bewitching Brews inspired by Felicis Borage Advanced Potion Making Textbook. Oh, so like I said, it's like a book. It's a textbook. Okay, nice. It's NEWT's level course book contains 4 gorgeous potion bottles, lip glosses inspired some of our favorite brews in the Wizarding world. Let's see what it's giving real quick. Let's see what it's giving. Oh, what? And they literally shape like potions. Oh! They shape like potions. This is so freaking cute. Look at SHEGLAM. Y'all did y'all thing with this whole collection because who would ever come out with something like this? This is different. This is so freaking cute. Like the details and everything. Like I will show y'all a close-up look to it so you guys could pause and read everything to it. Okay, so I'm assuming all these potions that is shown on the side of the book is literally describing the glosses. Red one, we go for a red potion. Okay, so it says caution. This gloss will cause a powerful invitation or even obsession for anyone who wears it. Inspired by the red potion, which is the red gloss here. This eyeshine gloss features a Felicis fruit extract for an especially nourishing brew. This one right here, and it looks really nice too. I think red or pink. I think this is like a pink color. Next up, there is the yellow one. So it says, everything you attempt will be deemed successful with our sparkling yellow gloss on your lips. This gloss is specially brewed with thyme extract to nourish your lips with a spell-binding shine. And I see it has a little shimmer up into it. Oh my god, this is so freaking pretty. And next up, we got this green lip gloss. So it says, although you might not be able to assume the form of another person, our PolyJuice potion inspired sparkling lip gloss adds the person dash of glitter to your glam. Contained with melon seed extract, this gloss moisturizes your lips with every use. What I'm getting at with these lip glosses is more like a moisturizing lip gloss, which is really good because I don't like to wear lip gloss that's just sitting on top of your lip. So yeah, this is really cute. It has another shimmer to it as well. Okay, that's nice. Is the purple one. So it says, inspired by the Draught of Living Death, purple gloss, this high shine lip gloss is simple but powerful. Contains with lavender extract. Ooh, okay. So these, I'm assuming these are a little bit scented now. Our Draught of Living Death gloss features a sweet floral aroma and a soothing formula for a bewitching glossy pout. Oh, the applicator. Let me see the applicator. Ooh. This applicator is silicone. It's not like no other lip applicators what the other brands had, but this is like silicone. I never see a silicone lip applicator in my life, like ever. Like this is the first time I've ever seen it. This is so different. The rest of them is like that. It comes with a little brush. Pretty cute, and the brush feels so soft and pretty. Ooh, what if the other makeup brand out there is doing a Harry Potter collection? I feel like they should do like highlighter shades, or probably one or probably like 3 different types of highlighter shades. Maybe like a microchrome highlighter where it's just named Luminous. Like how dope would that would be? Yeah, that would be really awesome. But other than that, you know, just keep that in mind. Somebody or someone one day is going to do that. That is it for me unboxing, reviewing, and swatching the SHEGLAM Harry Potter full makeup collection. This collection right here, they put their love and creativity to it. Like this is really cute. Like you never see any other makeup brand that will go off like this. Like this is hella creative. Come on now. Like this right here, you already know off the back. This is from part 1. And then look, and you open it, this is come on now. I will never see any other makeup brands that does this. This collection right here is definitely worth the money, y'all. Now this SHEGLAM Harry Potter full collection costs $50. $50? I was expecting to be like at least 75 or maybe at least 100. But this, y'all better get it before it goes out. I'm telling y'all, use those coupons. Now if there's no coupons on Shein, whether you're using on an app or a laptop, make sure you guys use those like Chrome installments. I use Honey, and there's the other one I use that starts with a C. That helps save my money. So make sure you use those discount codes and you guys be saving money. I know when this whole collection comes out, I just sense that all of this product right here is going to be selling out. This is the best thing that SHEGLAM ever came out. I really love how they package stuff like this. I feel like definitely in the future when they do other makeup collabs, I know they definitely will go out with their packaging and the full makeup collection, because this is definitely worth keeping for sure. Like the packaging and everything is so freaking nice. As a Harry Potter fan, I feel really appreciated that they put their thought, hard work, their effort into it. Is really nice. The colors, the shades, the lip shades were amazing, and the eyeshadows. Let me not get started with eyeshadows. The eyeshadows are really nice. The quad palettes, I love how they divide each of the houses in different colors. They know that like there's Harry Potter fans out there. There are Slytherins, HufflePuff, Gryffindors, and Ravenclaws, and they want to do a look based on it. The fact that they divide that into 4 eyeshadow colors is amazing. So I really appreciate SHEGLAM so much for doing this, because this is definitely worth the money. Even though I'm a Ravenclaw at heart, but since the hat said I am a Slytherin, I'll be definitely doing a Slytherin look. I really appreciate SHEGLAM for even creating this and sending this to me. So I really appreciate it, SHEGLAM. So thank you so much. I really love it. So yeah, and yeah, that's all I can say, y'all. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys do, make sure you guys leave a like for the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave that notification bell on to get notified of my videos wherever I upload. All my social media in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.